this video I'm going to create an X and Y column in a layer, and then I'm going to move a label. I'm going to create a line from a point to a label, and I'm going to create a line from a polygon to a label. I have two layers and I start with a point layer. I'm going to go to the attribute field and I am going to create a new field, an X. And a Y column. Saving and closing. Those two columns are going to be used for the position of the label I'm going to use. I double click on the layer, I add a new label, and I press apply. Sorry, I forgot to show which column. I'm going to use the ID column, and I'm going to click apply. Now you can see there are labels here. I want to move the labels manually, and therefore I take the placement and take the X to the field called X. I'm going to take the Y for the field called Y and press OK. And now I have this ABC and move label, so now I can move every single label manually. The only problem is there's no line from the geometry to the label. And I'm going to change this. I'm going to make the style. And I have a marker and a simple marker, and I'm going to add another symbol. This symbol is going to be moved underneath and going to be changed from a simple marker to a geometry generator. The geometry type is not a polygon, it's a line string. And I'm going to make a line, so I search for make line. The make line is going to use a point, and the point here is going to be make point from the $X and from the $Y. That's from the point geometry from the feature. Secondly, I'm going to make another point, and that's going to be from the label. So that will be X and the Y, like this. So now I have made a line from 2 points. The one is the feature point and the other is the label point. And I'm going to press OK. And you can see that the lines has been made from the point to the label. Now I have the next one, that's buildings. And I have made the columns here too, so I can move the labels like this. And for this function, for the geometry generator, I have made a line from the centroid of the polygon, and I have made the point from the label, so it will give the same result.